Hello guys, so welcome back once again on my channel. So now on this tutorial we're learning how to make this beautiful structure sleeve. Okay, what you need, you first of all need your basic sleeve. So you can see here I have cut out the basic sleeve. So after cutting out your normal basic sleeve, it's just very simple. It's a simple tutorial. There's no big deal. Okay guys, so if this is your first time of coming into my channel, you're highly welcome, and please kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new videos. Okay, all right, so without wasting much of our time, this is very simple. It's a very simple tutorial. So like I said, you'll be needing your basic sleeve. So this is my basic sleeve here. So you are going to determine uh, this is your basic sleeve. Okay, how the length you want, how pointing you want it. So you can see I have everything. I have 15.5 total. Remember, I will still go ahead and join, so, and also so at the end of that I'll be having at least 14.5 inches or 14 inches. So now you are going to determine the length of your sleeve. So after that, you're also going to determine from the sleeve to the cap height where you want the opening to be. Okay, so you are going to determine all that. So in this case, I want mine to to start from 5 inches. Okay, so remember 5 inches, so I'll be marking out 6 inches because I'll use half inches to turn this part and also half inches for joining. So at the end of the day I'll be having 5 inches. So after getting it, so when you after you finish determining, so you're going to mark that part. So the next thing, you can go ahead and use your free hand, so and make a curve like this. You can see you just curve it from here, you curve into this part. So I'll be leaving at least 1 inch or 0.75 so that I can use, or 1 inch, let me use 1 inch. Remember, we'll be joining here, so we are going to make a curve like this, so into that 1 inch. So okay, and this is my 1 inch, so I'm just going to make a curve. Okay, so remember this is 6 inches. Okay, so our sleeve length will start measuring from here, either 8 or 9. So here, so we check, so it will start measuring from here, right? So it's right. So after making this curve, you just go ahead and cut it out. Very simple. So after cutting it out, you do the same thing on the lining piece. Okay guys, so now after cutting it out, this is what we have. All right, so you just go ahead and cut the same thing on the lining piece. So I'll cut the lining. Okay guys, so now you can see I'm done cutting my lining. So what I'm going to do, I'll just go ahead and place it on the right side of the fabric. So but first of all, I'll go ahead and sew here. I'll go ahead and secure this edge. So I'll be sewing it with the allowance I use, my sewing allowance. So after that, I'll also do the same thing. I'll use the sewing allowance I added on the sleeve part to go ahead and close this part. All right, this shaping part, I'll close it. Then after that, so guys, I'll go straight to my sewing machine. You can see the way I've pinned it. So I'm going to sew this one separate. I also sew this other side separate. Okay, you're going to use the sewing allowance, then close this part, do the same thing on the lining. So after that, you're going to place them right side facing each other, then we're going to turn. So okay guys, so now you can see I've sewn this part. So I've sewn it. I've also sewn the lining. So I'll just go ahead and turn it inside out. So I'll be placing it right side facing right side. And you can see. So this is the right side of the lining and this is the right side of the main fabric. So I'm going to insert inside. Then remember this place is the upper part. Okay. So this is the upper part. So we are going to be sewing here where we cut out. So you can see. So you place it this way. So you go ahead and sew round. So after that, you turn it inside out. Okay. So I'll just do that. Okay, guys. So you can see now I'm done sewing it. So this is how it looks. So I'll go ahead and iron it. So this is the sleeve. You can see. So this is how it looks like. So I'll go ahead and give it a nice ironing. So after that, we'll attach it on our dress. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial.